Here's one of the most difficult things for anybody to accept in the course of sorting out the finances in a divorce. A lot of times we get clients that talk to us about, well, a few years ago, my spouse made this decision, or she just came home with this thing, or I didn't even know that he invested in this other thing. That's the thing. Your divorce attorney, no matter how hard they work, isn't going to be able to convince a judge to reconsider all the financial transactions of your marriage. Basically, the way the laws are set up are that they're going to assume that you and your spouse worked in financial partnership. Now, you guys operated together, that whether that's sitting down every Sunday with your finances and your checkbook, you balance it, you make your plans, and you work like some wonderful business partnership, or one of you just delegated it to the other. Maybe there was this sort of like one person took care of the kids, the other took care of the finances, or sometimes you got one person takes care of the gas, the groceries, and so much of that, and the other person does the investments, finances, the retirement, the big end stuff. However you decided it, the judge is going to assume that you guys are operating in perfect harmony with the way you chose, even if you didn't choose. Not to make a choice is a choice. And so if you guys just kind of went along the whole time and didn't really have any game plan, and one of you just did a bunch of stuff, the judge is not going to turn around and second guess that. In part because, frankly, there'd be a whole lot more divorce litigation, and divorce trials would take that much longer, that much harder to sort things out if a judge was going to be able to undo everything in regards to second guessing. Yes, there's certain exceptions. One of them would be dissipation of assets, where somebody's purposely spending down the marital estate just to deprive the other spouse of their due share. But by and large, the judge is going to reconsider that. So part of this is to reinforce better decision making amongst married people, knowing that this isn't going to be something that a judge can undo. And the other part of it is just realizing, all right, well, if that line of argument's not available to us, what else we got to make sure that my financial needs as I try to transition towards a better life are met, so that you can make that transition and then you can move forward without looking back and kind of second guessing all those decisions you made when you're married. My name's Matt. I've been a divorce attorney for nearly 20 years. If you like this sort of content, you want more of this, like, click, follow below. Thanks.